Hey everybody, we are planting some peppermint today in our garden. So mint plants are one of my favorites. They smell amazing. They work terrific as a companion plant. So what I mean by that is that, so if I plant it right here, it's going to work really good to help deter the pests all around. So if we had like a pepper or tomato or something like that we planted, this mint would help deter pests that want to go after it because it has such a strong smell. We always plant mint in our pots unless we want it to take over an area, because mint is known for being very, very prolific. So if you don't want it spreading and taking over everything, I definitely recommend doing it in a pot. So today we are going to be using a 3-gallon Smart Pot. You can use any size really. So you could use a 3-gallon, a 5 or 7, but we're going to be using this 3-gallon Smart Pot right here for it. So we choose to transplant our mint. You can either do that or you can take cuttings from a plant that you want to propagate from. It's just really hard to start mint plants from seed, so we don't do that. So with this one, we just went to our local nursery and picked up a peppermint. So it's very simple to transplant. All you want to do is just dig a small hole in the middle of the Smart Pot, and then you'll pull out the plant. And first, what I always do too is just look around the sides and just make sure that these roots aren't going in a circle. And then this one's actually pretty good. So there we go. You just want to encourage the roots to grow outward instead of continuing to grow in a circle. And then dig the hole down, put that in there, cover it back up, and we'll give it a little bit of water, and with no time, this should be growing and taking over this entire 3-gallon Smart Pot. You got some water? Oh, good. You want to come water this peppermint we just planted?
I will water that plant, and I'll water the next one.
Give us a little bit of water right there. Very good.
Now let's get some right here.
Perfect. Good job. Thank you. Teamwork. Good job.
I can let go, Bubba, now.
Put right here.
Right there.
Very, very strong. Okay.
But, Mom,
y'all gonna plant this plant in there?
uh-huh.
What do you do first?
Dig. Can I dig it, Bubba?
Both of you.
Okay. Now, let's put that.
Good job.
Okay.
I can smell it.
Yeah, I know. It smells so good.
Water my
Okay. Let's fill that in and let's put the label in.